The Burn Survivor Resource Center was created to provide burn victims, their families, and the professionals who care for them with multiple resources and specialized legal support services. At Burn Survivor Resource Center, you can find information specific to the specialized needs of burn victims and their families. At Burn Survivor, we understand that burn injuries are different than most other injuries. Our mission is to create a safe environment where burn survivors can come together and share their thoughts and feelings about their injuries and recovery. Share your story with others who have experienced similar physical and emotional distress. Have you considered legal advice or services? You may be entitled to compensation. For a free legal consultation, call us at 1-800-669-7700. The Burn Survivor Resource Center, the trusted community for burn victims and their families.